I think that at an age like that, you kind of have a disconnect from the common man because
Right.
you're most likely not working, and you're not out taking public transportation.
Nope.
You don't, you most likely aren't shopping for yourself.
You're not buying groceries.
Yeah,
I'll
so
tell you that.
you don't see prices
Yep.
on things. You're not going to go buy new cars. So there's a disconnect from the common man and
Yep.
his common purchases that are made every day. So I also wrote down the 5 priorities. So the first one, Medicare for all. Healthcare is a human right.
Yes. I think absolutely it is a human right. Our parents decided for us to come here, whether that was intentional or accidental, and that shouldn't be a death sentence for us for folks that are maybe not earning wages to afford certain things, like health insurance. I mean, like I was saying before this, we lost health insurance. That affected us greatly. We had to go on COBRA for 4 months. It was $2,500 a month. That certainly did not help us, right? When my union insurance was only a couple $100s every month or every couple months, that's a huge change, right? And we had to have insurance because we had a 1-month-old at the time. We had a 2-year-old and a 1-month-old, and we needed them on insurance, so we had no other choice.
How was it in that moment?
It was beyond stressful. We didn't know where that money was going to come from. At that point, I was flying back to LA because we weren't officially here yet. We were in Pittsburgh while my daughter was born, so we would be close to family, right? Because our lease was up in LA months prior. So I was still flying back out there because that's where I was working. And I was trying to save everywhere I could, right? But I've lived this crap and it's not fun. I mean, our system is broken. We need to, it's going to hurt people to say, but we need to almost gut the health insurance industry, and we need to just do Medicare for all, because at the end of the day, like I said, it should be a human right. Food should be a human right. Shelter should be a human right. If you want these outlandish things, I think get a great job, do some crazy, do some cool freelance stuff and be able to afford that. But I think just basics, you're going to have a child paying attention a lot more if they have food in their belly in the beginning of the day, right? If they can accidentally break their arm and the mom doesn't have to go into debt for that, right? They can just go to a hospital and get it fixed. These are basic things that so many other more advanced first world countries have, especially in Europe, and they have these for their citizens. And you'll notice that the happiness level also goes up. It's almost a perfect match, right? And so a lot of the things that we have here in America is just stress.